Oh my god. Full face for the day. You know what, guys? It's where did the time start? Almost 10 a.m. Almost 10 a.m. until now. We are doing beauty regimen. Ayan. Blush pad. I'm done with my thin line, my eyeliner, the lips, and now the blusher. Love it. Oh.
Super natural.
Yeah. Sabi permanent makeup. Ay, puno na po yung ilong ko. Ay, nasipon ako sa aircon. Ganda. Very natural.